Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome to our PHP tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the fundamental syntax of PHP. We know that PHP is typically embedded within HTML or written in standalone PHP files with a .php extension. So let us have a look at its structure, its tags. Now let us see the syntax of writing code. We all know that PHP code is written in between the tags. So let us see those tags. When PHP passes a file, it looks for a opening and closing tags, which are this. This is an opening tag and this is a closing tag. You can see the statements are written between those tags, which tells the PHP to start and stop interpreting. Passing in this manner allows PHP to be embedded in all sorts of different documents. But to close a PHP code block, we use the closing tag. However, it is not mandatory to include the closing tag if the file contains only PHP code. Next, as in C or Perl, PHP also requires instruction to be terminated with a semicolon at the end of each statement. The closing tag or a block of PHP code automatically implies a semicolon or the termination of the sentence. This is an example of writing PHP with HTML. Everything outside of a pair of opening and closing tags is ignored by the PHP, which allows PHP files to have mixed content. This allows PHP to be embedded in HTML documents. As you can see in this example, we have a basic HTML structure with a head, body. So between the body tag, we have the PHP opening and closing tag. So the PHP interpreter will interpret the PHP tags and then the rest of the document will be shown as a HTML document is displayed on the browser. This works as expected because when the PHP interpreter hits the closing tag, it simply starts outputting whatever it found until it hits another opening tag. Most simple part yet most important part of a language is comments. So let us see comments in PHP and how to write them. A comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as a part of a program. Its only purpose is to read by someone who is looking at the code. Comments can be used to let others understand your code, that is, increase the readability, and comments can remind you of what you were thinking when you wrote the code. Here in this example, you can see two slashes are used for a single line comment and a slash and an asterisk to begin the multi-line comment, and again a star and asterisk to close a multi-line comment. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other PHP tutorials for more in-depth topics.